Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to buy coins on Webtoon. Coins on Webtoon are the in-app currency used to unlock episodes, purchase content, and access special features. First of all, launch open the Webtoon application on your device and make sure you are logged in. From the home page of Webtoon, tap on the My button at the bottom right corner. From the My or the My series tab, tap on the C icon at the top. This will bring you to the My Coins tab where you need to click on Buy Coins at the top right. This will now take you to the coin shop. Choose the coin package. You can browse available coin packages. Packages usually range from small amount to large bundles. Select the package that fits your need. After selecting one of the packages, go ahead and complete your authentication. If you haven't yet, you can also add a payment method for your device and follow through the instructions. After purchase, your coin balance should automatically and immediately update in the wallet or coin section. You can now use the bought coins to unlock episodes or access premium contents. So that is how you will be able to purchase coins in Webtoon application. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.